Where are they?
Send me a I think there's somebody upstairs.
Somebody's on A. Got like literally demolished from there. What? I gotta pick up the base, man. Oh, there he is! He did. Hello? Anybody home? Oh, this is just the bathroom.
I haven't seen anybody in a while.
This is, I think it's because they're over by A, this hillside. If I can get up.
I don't know where the shot's coming from.
I'm hit! They're over here! I got him. He was on the hill right there, boy.
I know, I saw him.
I'm loaded!
You got another guy!
Dude, that's how it sounds like the game. I saw him! Get that gun! Oh my god!
I saw that. I literally saw that right in front of me. I got one. They're literally everywhere. If I don't survive, it was nice of me. Is he here?
I'm gonna play the Galil with a drum mag.
Changing mags.
We're farting.
Okay, last mag.
And I'm spying in and immediately getting shot at. Thank you, Charlie.
Good ones.
We lost Bravo.
Bravo!
I'm gonna push Bravo. Pushing now. Getting in the objective. There, Bravo. Doesn't seem to be anybody home.
We've taken Bravo. Wait.
Dead. They're on Bravo. Still, I think.
I'm taking fire. I'm taking fire.
I got him.
Hey, I need backup.
Heels.
I'm taking.
Video died.
Wait, I see somebody.
Push Alpha with me. Actually, no, there's another guy with me. He's over there.
Did you
You
hear
hear that guy?
Yeah.
They hold-
I'm on B. I'm on B. I need backup.
Yeah, we're securing Bravo.
I'm on B. I'm on B. I'm on B. I'm on B.
I'm a B. Is there somebody on C? I can't.
Hello?
Hello?
It's unplugged. I'm still alive though. I'm still taking B. There's somebody on B though.
And I'm dead. They're on C. Shut up.
Hey, there's somebody on B.
Yeah, we're securing Bravo.
Oh, I'm sorry, teammate. I'm sorry.
I literally farted.
Bravo secured. It's clear. I'm up.
streams yet?
No.
I'm dead. Okay.
I'm taking fire.
Coming up to Bravo and I literally just hear like agonizing screams the entire time. This game's really cool.
I just witnessed our teammate die. I hear running. I hear
I'm
running.
like walking up to the objective and I just hear.
I'm taking fire. I'm taking heavy fire.
And I'm dead.
Okay, here we go.
Did
Already
me and him
killed
trade?
somebody.
I swear. Dude, me and him traded.
We gotta get high ground. I have the high ground, Anakin. Oh, dude, snipers are good, dude. You can just quick scope.
Yeah,
people.
they're fun. They're just fun to use. Where are they? Oh, you want to move to a different window? Where'd you go? Oh, no, he just left. Oh, no, he's right there! And I'm pushing C with a pin. I'm the same guy.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Follow me, Jackson, follow me, Jackson.
Sorry?
I just literally exploded his head.
Oh
His
my
head,
gosh.
like, exploded. He was like where this palm tree is.
What the heck? He was like
on the-
in the palm tree?
Yeah, he was like on the wall. See where his gun is?
Ugh. That's crazy. I could see his body.
Killed another guy.
I'm getting these buildings over here.
I'm gonna come with you so we could
Where are the stairs?
Oh wait, no. Is that a red dot?
I don't have a laser sight.
I think my head just exploded.
I think so. I just heard like.
Yeah, I know. I
Yep,
can see,
you do
like,
not have a head,
pieces. I just got shot in the head again.
Where
I
is
just
he?
Spawned right behind you, Jackson.
Oh, I see him. He just dropped down. And he's gone. Like, ah! He's in the very back. Oh, he's jumping down the Rifles. Those are also basically snippers.
I just saved our teammate. Oh my gosh. That's why I love being a sniper. So I'm getting shot from behind.
I know. I see him. He's dead. I got him. I avenged you, Gavin.
Thank you. You was a, I was a good man.
We're all right. Oh, I see a guy.
So you got what? And I just got annihilated by 3 people. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my god. I got somebody.
Yo, I'm on Bravo.
I'm taking Bravo, Jackson. I'm taking Bravo.
I'm right behind you, Gavin. Dump it in.
Alpha's taken. They just took Alpha.
Alpha's taking. They just took Alpha.
Bravo.
I think I hear
They
somebody.
took apples. Oh my god!
Are you dead? Are you dead?
No. I am dead, Gavin. I think there's one on the left.
Losing Bravo.
All over, Gavin.
Losing Bravo.
And I'm dead, yeah. I got killed by an assault rifle from across the map.
He's still there. He's turning around. He went back.
don't know where he's at, Gavin.
Ah, Christ! They got Bravo!
I think he got killed. Yeah, he did.
If some of y'all want to rush into B, I have a sniper angle on a building.
Oh my gosh.
Only the first two
Oh my
floors.
gosh, I'm literally witnessing people get murdered right now.
Yeah, the one just went down to B.
Okay. A guy just saw me. I'm gonna have to change positions.
Ops behind the bus, watch out.
Yeah, we're securing Bravo!
Ooh!
Alpha's taking
Dude, if you make a video, you should just call it Insurgency with extra sound effects.
Okay, we got Bravo! Sniper!
Oh my god! Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's this map. And I
Yeah,
know.
that's math.
I'm gonna switch to a sniper in my next class.
Enemy station A!
Okay.
Efficiency.
What if there was a objective called B?
Pushing C.